Spit psychomaniac shit. I ain't no holding it back, nigga. I ain't no holding it back, nigga.
What are you doing? Why are you still holding back?
Ain't no holding back, nigga.
Have you forgotten what they said to us? What they did? They think you're monsters.
That's just mine. Go stupid, nigga, chase mine. I just might shoot the face of line. So I just might do it again. Slice food. I stupid, I know dumb nigga gon' use it, huh? Make your brain like you don't use one. Y'all ain't used to us. Y'all niggas just ain't used to thuggin'. Y'all niggas just stay boozy, huh? Y'all niggas just straight loose goose, huh? Y'all shoot to the keep shooting, but nigga, then it's just all done. Fuck a nigga, what nigga, I don't know. Everything, everyone, every goal, every dream, chat, if shit broken. Hey, you ain't try to pick it back, your ghost in. Pussy nigga, you weak, you ain't focused. You couldn't see the G in the low, then you ain't see nothing too much. You ain't smoke the weed, you ain't never take a drink, you ain't never pull the biscuit, you don't really think much. Probably don't even sleep, you don't dream, Probably don't drink, don't what you need, I don't know, I just need it all. But what's some more, want some this and that, man, nigga, that for sure. Tryna get the motherfucking whip out the door in motherfucking crib, nigga, with the new clothes. Whoa. These niggas be staring too much, they ain't really hard, they ain't really gon' bust, they hyped up off nothing. I don't give a fuck, nigga. That's what, nigga, now. Who turned up? Nigga, you down. Press the button, nigga. I just lounge a thug, nigga. I need a pilot, cause I can't drive, cause they will be cuffing niggas. What the fucking fuck, nigga? Russian bust this motherfucker. I can't even trust niggas. Oh shit, I dust these niggas. How should I what? These niggas, if I had to clutch. Then I had to bust, snatch him up, wrap him up, cut him up, froze him up, sold the glove. Did you really sell your love? Did you really sell your gun? Got some fucking bodies on it. Nigga, what's your problem? Problems always. That's what I just always know that. They say, hello dog, yeah. Ain't an old friend. They say, hello dog, yeah. They say, where you been? Where you been? Nigga back and forth across the land, working on idle minds, indicating and sin. Everybody dies again, if we born again. Y'all niggas been on shit to keep you stuck here. I've been reading too much shit, but nah, nigga, that's static and selected. Fuck the collective if you're knocking off pieces to get where you want the top, but still you'll find out any shit. Your engineer gon' come within this holding heart from human. This called off, and then my empty space is awesome within. Killing that chopper got me running again. I been feeling so numb to this shit, but you niggas won't remember some shit, but you won't run up again. You niggas won't talk like that mail a mess. Okay then, but check. Everybody get tasted every nigga I chest. I don't even give a shit. I got hella kid. Nah, really. Hell, nigga, you ain't never felt it. Nigga, watch the shit. And you can never touch shit again. So we all go smoking, see goes out, talk to some old shadows and plot a wish that I could even hold, but whisper, kiss her, touch her to the front, come bust up my shit on like a 74 with the nice phone and nice home, nigga, nice home. they inform me, so I don't know, nigga, everybody point. Niggas is poison, so nigga just know that I got immune venomous says so many kisses, so sad. Saying it crazy came within confusion, drowning music. Now we come again, but too hyped and too calmed up. Too calm, yeah, nigga trippin' opposites, flexing my but on some shit, but I just stabbed this motherfucking song if it was human. Who did? Grumbling, rumbling, stumbling, you shit. You fat time is on the rest for the week and left for me. Torture. I can't remember no rhymes, no way, no room in this mind. I think I built to amplify for just why I know everything I think is fucking awesome. I'm awesome. Awful, horrible, wrong, too dumb, stupid, it'll get reckless, ruthless. Check this, no, pity it in no more feeling, do it. You nigga, what? Nigga gon' do, huh, nigga? I done sat nigga for 1,000,000 fucking hours, losing my mind. You cry till you ain't got no eyes, and then they don't know more far. You could see it always, always. Some on my side, and they say got me hated. It was always, they was like from before, always like seeing forward. Like kids, you asked to try and come back with something else. See you not saying not me, though. Yeah, we are here. I could only see you and me, feeling high, dipping like, damn, what is this nigga on? He on shit, he don't wanna trip, he don't wanna fall off a cliff. He think his legs ain't strong enough like the break. Yeah, nigga, what did you other than they say to the one you come back again? Seeing my being off for collecting, stressing of another pressure. Now die again after the lift up, rest up, cold fish is it, feel it, fries like my nature, nigga. I said the negative part of the neutron, so they could never be light without you, huh? How could you take away that if you was? I think not. We done had a conversation, a long one with the plot. Show me the stars from above. I was like flying on this motherfucking world. It was perfect. It was beautiful. Worthless though without your other side, so we collide, come back and always ain't you always floating, trying to find your soulmate. We here now, but the world try pull away, push it back, shoot. The world hates you, but I'm a friend of a nigga, the nature. In a minute I could show you hatred. feeling it in venom, that evil shit, the sickness that they speak about. While you locked the door and the other motherfucker was probably peeking out. We done shot really through peepholes, gauge, nigga, then switch to the pistol and blade, nigga, like some real shit crazy. You niggas was talking about chasing when we was plotting the same shit. Always trying to catch a nigga slipping with his dick in his bitch. Shoot that hoe too, she could go. You know about to set a post, she got to roll down the grade 2 blazer, motherfucker. You a cut a filet, motherfucker. I learned to cut between the joints like a chicken, but nigga, it gets sickly, wicked, smelling like iron and shitty pissy niggas. Eyes all on you, just close them or cut them out, fuck them, they frozen now, throw them out there, never know how. Wow, nigga, movie shit, nigga, stupid shit that you truly did off in the guts, like what's up with this motherfucker, let's see if, how, and when it could cut down, nigga, killing whatever the fuck is around, nigga, now, fuck, how could I feel a compassion for you when you never seen the shit that happened to him and you and them? It's so when everybody feeling their own and get so hurt and hurt, but we do it perfect, nigga. Beautiful chaos, the verses, yikes, seeing my fucking coldest one that I can see. Full sign beneath the ice and out of space and lethal. Ain't no oxygen, you can't breathe here. We taking everything, nigga, we need it. See this motherfucking last man standing. Damn this shit, if I ain't planned it, never let you make me a character, man. Shit, outlandish shit, goddamn it, goddamn them niggas, I'm here. Hell, phone be stopped, nigga, like, goddamn, nigga, shut the fuck up, they probably shit, but nigga, I think this is like some motherfucking different diabolical shit, approaching niggas, poaching niggas, they say, hold up, nigga, shoot him in his leg again, foot and shit, pussy, nigga, where is it, hit him a pistol whip and shit, nigga, this nigga not talking, nigga gon' be dead then, well then, damn shit, or everybody always getting popped when I come along, that shit, nah, nigga. I just had to make it home, niggas. You niggas always think that I ain't thinking always, and always is always, and every time different though, it never play out how you playing, you gotta improvise, and damn, if I see him moving, I'ma knock him down, knock everybody down, nigga. I ain't even got a mask sometimes, tat it all up, and motherfuckers always recognize me, so nigga, it's just like whatever now, damn, whether the motherfucking crowd said, pussy niggas talking, they got cameras and shit, blam again, and they want me slam this shit, nigga, hell nah, damn this, and walking around without a ham and shit, nigga, now ain't that some ham shit out your brain, goddamn, you stupid nigga, slipping like I'm too stupid, Philly, that you niggas gon' do, you gon' do it, then did it, does it, do it, and keep on, for they keep shooting, nigga, if you see me, I pray to God you really do get me, cause I'm killing everything in your motherfucking vicinity, everybody probably before you could get it, yeah, nigga, spoiled and sick shit, nigga, yeah, everybody could feel how they feel, then nigga, watch, I'll give you the worst pain you motherfuckers wouldn't even be able to deal with, nigga, probably kill yourself, shit, pussy nigga, I sat and laughing, reveal this, motherfucker plan, should've furled in some cryptic shit that they can never heard, but you niggas probably can never listening into any verse, so nigga, it's off up with every curve, like we crashing, dipping, swerving, picture perfect was never with it, so we just had to flip it, switch and work it, dibble and dabble, this is the magic, my spells is outcast and lasting, like some shit, a prince of the hand, shit, man, he said it's streams and flower gardens and some shit, planted it in the knowledge in them, the gift, I swear you niggas would love to be naked walking in wilderness, filthy shit, silly nigga. You ain't hearing it, you niggas ain't even picking up on shit cause you're too scary to see it. I guess some shut down, but we